Namaskaram, everyone. Namaskaram, Lipika Sahu. Welcome to the 19th guided meditation session. Great. Let's wait for a couple of minutes for everyone to jump in and we will get started. Meanwhile, enjoy the music. And it looks like it is Saturday night, so most of the people are maybe busy, or they are doing something, probably enjoying. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, please introduce yourself or just in the comment section put down which part of the world you're coming from, or are you coming here for the first time, or are you coming here for the 19th time. Put anything, your location, how are you feeling right now. Namaskaram Sneak Fire 7, fantastic to see you coming again. Namaskaram Harmonium Music, Aka Rohit Goyal, glad to see you coming here. Fantastic, Ruhail Alam. Always love to see you coming in every night. Mr. Patil, Namaskaram and welcome. Let's wait a few moments for everyone to jump in. Great. I believe a lot of people are jumping in slowly. Maybe the platform is telling them how to reach. And Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. I know in my life personally, a teacher has played a lot many different roles, not just scolding me but also making me reach where I am right now. Well, for those who are coming here for the first time, let me tell you, I am Hitesh Goyal from The Weekend Yogi and I host this 10 minutes guided meditation session every night, 10 p.m. And today we are doing the 19th guided meditation session. Well, I have to call it meditation, but it's more than that. It's actually spending time with yourself. These 10 minutes are not mine. It is just all about yourself. It is just spending time with yourself, which we rarely do. We spend most of our time with our gadgets, with everything outside, but we never take a moment to look inside. Well, these are easy words said then done. So here I am helping you to figure out this, how in 10 minutes we can do this session. Great. I believe there are less number of people coming in tonight, but that's totally fine as well. So those who are coming here for the first time, can you comment down in the comment section, is it your first time? We'll be glad to see, would be loving to see how many people are coming here for first time tonight. I will just set up the camera properly so that it's fine for you and great. Okay, Mr. Patil, how much time you give to meditation? Okay, I don't do meditation. It happens eventually. So, whatever time I sit, I just don't count. It's fine. Fantastic. Panchal, Viral, welcome. Hi Banu, third time. Fantastic. Namaskaram and welcome. Marihan Touch for coming for the first time. Lipsika Sahu again for the first time. Great. Well, for those who are coming here for the first time, let me give out what is the structure of this session. First of all, we are going to do 10 to 12 minutes of guided meditation where I will be guiding you through the process. You don't have to look on the screen, you just have to follow my voice. After that, we will do 1 to 2 minutes of integration. This integration you just stick by, we will interact, and then after that you can choose not to or may not to leave. And the last section would be some question and answers, few basic question and answer. I'll try my best to answer them. I hope everything is clear with you. Now I will give out few instructions how to get started. So the instructions are, you are needed to be sitting on a chair, or you can even lay down on the bed. Anything is fine. But make sure you are comfortably wherever you are doing, wherever you are spending time with yourself. Just make sure you are comfortable. If you are sitting on a chair, make sure your back is straight, your spine is straight, your head, neck is also straight and erect. Make sure you're not too slouchy or hunching your shoulders. Your shoulders should be back and relaxed. Should be towards the back and relaxed. Keep off your spectacles if you can. It's better not to be wearing spectacles at the time when we are doing this session. And keep your palms facing upwards towards the sky on your thigh. I will wait for a couple of minutes for you guys to adjust yourself in a comfortable position, as well as ask any doubts or questions on the posture if you have. Sorry. Great. If you have any questions or any doubts on the posture, I will be happy to assist you on this, and then after that we will get started. Yes, Mr. Patil, it's fine if you have taken dinner 1 hour before. It's fantastic. It's nothing, no problem at all. Just make sure you do not sleep off and you follow my voice for the whole duration. Great. So it looks everyone is fine with the instructions how to do. Just give a thumbs up or push that like button so that I can know I can start. And once I see enough thumbs up and enough hearts flowing out, I can get started. I will see that you are started and ready. Great. So Mr. Patil, Sneakfire, Arihant, Aishwarya Gleen, Manu, a lot of people are ready. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of love as well. Yes, fantastic to see that. Nick, Riya Singh, as ready as always. Hey, Ajita Tripathi, welcome. She's ready as well. Great. Great. So tonight's meditation is going to be a Teacher's Day special. Well, I will guide you through the process, and before we start, I will be putting off the comment section so that you can solely focus on my voice. You don't have to worry about seeing anything on Instagram screen or your mobile screen. Just focus on my voice. We will begin shortly, and I will be putting off the comment section And what I want you to do is, in your own time, slowly and gently lower your gaze. Close your eyes slowly and gently. Make yourself comfortable and try to bring a connect with my voice. We will begin with taking a few deep inhalations. Take a deep inhalation through your nostrils and exhale gently and slowly through your mouth. Find your body relaxing with the exhalation. Take one more deep breath through your nostrils and exhale gently and slowly through your mouth. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. Release any stiffness in your feet, in your thighs. Relax your stomach muscles. Relax your chest. Bring a focus on your shoulders and your arms. Let your arms be loose and relaxed. Don't put any kind of pressure or relieve any stiffness on the arms. Relax your face muscles, your forehead, back of your head, your neck, and top of your head. Find your body relaxing and matching your natural breathing pattern. Breathe in calm, balance, ease, peace, and stillness. Bring your attention to your surroundings. It may be a fan, it may be an AC, it may be something. Slowly bring your awareness bring a connection to my voice, and we will begin the journey as soon and in a while. Keep a focus on your natural breathing pattern. Inhale gently and exhale through your mouth. Calm, balance, ease, and stillness. Bring your awareness to my voice. Visualize and remember that teacher in your life whom you find has impacted you the most. He or she can be any teacher, maybe your academics, maybe your sports teacher, maybe your hobby teacher, maybe anything. Just visualize and recall the name and photograph of that teacher. Recall what's the name of this teacher. What you used to learn from this teacher. Did the teacher taught you drawing, any subject, any hobby, any interest, any sports? Bring your visualization to the body language of your favorite teacher. How your teacher used to walk and used to talk. Just visualize you sitting in front of your teacher and observing him talking, walking, wherever you are. Now bring 3 qualities of this teacher you admire the most. Visualize and remember 3 qualities of your favorite and best teacher. Was your teacher good at speaking, at listening, at anything you admire him or her for? What are these 3 qualities? If your teacher was standing in front of you right now, what you would do? Just visualize if your teacher was in front of you, what you would do. I want you to visualize folding your hands and bowing down in front of your teacher in gratitude. Bow down in front of your teacher in gratitude for making you this person tonight, for building your character to this moment, for making you so able this moment. Just bow down in front of your teacher. Now, looking at the teacher, I want to say it to yourself. Looking at the teacher, say it to yourself. I am grateful for making me what I am today. Say it to yourself. I am grateful to you, my teacher, for making me what I am today. Say it. Say to your teacher, thank you for keeping your grace on all of us. Say to your teacher, thank you for keeping your grace on everyone. Inhale gently and exhale. Slowly and gently bring your focus to my voice. Taking your own time, in your own time, open up your eyes. Take your own time, in your own pace, open up your eyes. Namaskaram everyone, welcome back. Let me tell you, your eyes were closed for exactly 12 minutes and 30 seconds. How was the experience for you? Let me know in the comment section. What are you feeling right now? What are you feeling? What's your emotion? What's your thought? Put down in the comment section. I would love to read them out. I would love to read what are you thinking right now? How was your experience? Just put down in the comment section. Fantastic, Prakhar Suryavanshi. You liked it. It was fantastic. Yes. Lipsika Sahu says relaxed. Fantastic. Mr. Patil says peace. Aishwarya Gleen says blessed. Arihan says couldn't connect. No worries. It happens. It happens. Paul Chetak says great. Bhanu is loving it. Rohel says mesmerizing. Ajita, peaceful. Fantastic to see all of your lovely feedbacks and comments. It feels so great that we are so inclined and so loving our teachers, our gurus in our life. They have always helped us in some way or the other. Great. Well, here's the thing for all of you. Make sure after this meditation you drink some water. It will help you. Drink some water after this session. Second thing is, all the replays of these videos, of these sessions, All of them are present on weekendyogi.com or on our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, The Weekend Yogi, or sign up on our weekendyogi.com website. The website is weekendyogi.com. You can check out in the bio. And the third thing is we have started one-to-one yoga sessions and classes which will help you boost your immune systems, your mental health, and your physical health. Message us anytime, DM us, will help you connect with the teacher and get your session started. Now I'll take in some comments. Akanksha, amazing to see you, fantastic, and thank you. Shrikant says, okay, poor connection, couldn't listen, no worries, next time. I'll upload this, you can watch a replay. Riya Singh, thank you. I'm not a teacher actually, I'm just like a student as always, but so glad, so grateful to all of you. George is saying present, I think so. Namaskaram Suspicious B, hello. Namaskaram Mystorian, hello from Pune, hi. Hi, Namaskaram Deepika. Bhanu, yes, we do it every night. हम ये सेशंस रोज करते हैं. आज हमारा 19वां सेशन था. You can come every night. हम ये रोज करते हैं 10 बजे. And we won't stop it. I won't stop it. Yes. And also please sign up for the replays. You will be able to see them again. Okay. Now, if anyone has any questions, they want to join yoga classes or special meditation classes, put me in the DM section. Put me in a DM. I will reply you there personally. And okay, great. No worries, Shrikant Prabhakar. I will upload it on the website. You will be able to take a look again. Great. So, all of the gratefulness, all of the thank you belongs to you guys. Please say a thank you to yourself. You deserve this thank you. You have come forward to spend time with yourself. And if you do it daily, every night, every month, every morning, you are going to see some results soon. Great. Okay, Suspicious B. Okay, so yoga has been in my life for so many years, not professionally, but for the last 2 years, for the last 1.5 years or so, I have been doing it daily without fail. But otherwise, yoga was still there as a part of my life since my early childhood. But not actually asanas, but yeah, meditations and dhyana. Again, tomorrow we are going to do it 10 p.m. Indian time. Okay, how yoga has changed you? I'll tell you. Yoga has bring subtle changes in my life on lower levels. And as you fix these lower levels, obviously all the upper kind of things get slowly fixed in some way or the other. I don't want to quantify it in terms of benefits, but yes, yoga makes you more conscious and makes you an aware being. That is the whole motivation behind the Weekend Yogi is. We wish to bring the lost awareness within us. We wish to take all the get back and gain back all the lost awareness, consciousness within us. We just don't want to lose it to the gadgets or the technology that we have made. We have to know how to use these tools. Fantastic. Paul Chetak is saying, sir, 2 times meditation is enough for daily. See, even if you do meditation 10 times a day and if you are not doing it properly and if you are not improving, there's nothing like minimum or a maximum. I would say start doing with 1 time and move towards 2 times or 3 times. But yeah. Yes, Shrikant, I do not take yoga classes. I prefer all of you learning yoga from our masters who are 5+ years experienced, and they know very well how to guide you and instruct you on the asanas. So that's why Harsha ma'am takes yoga classes for us, and also Arjita ma'am also takes classes for us. Great. So it seems if you have any more question, I'll take them in, or otherwise I would love to close this session for now. I will wait for a few seconds so that your messages can pop up on my screen. Shrikant Prabhakar, tomorrow night 10 p.m. Yoga class we are not conducting tomorrow, but if you want we can conduct a meditation session tomorrow in the morning, 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. If you want, we can do it. If I see a lot of people coming and agreeing for 8 or 9 a.m. in the morning tomorrow, I will do it. Suspicious B, another session will be for sure 10 p.m. tomorrow night Indian time. 10 p.m. Indian time tomorrow. And tomorrow we'll be doing 20th session. Okay, great. Fantastic. So, wishing you everyone a beautiful, soothing good night. Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. Namaskaram. Take care of yourself.